First, you're going to need to remove your old airbox and engine cover, red arrow. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. The only part you will need to transfer from the old airbox is the MkV sensor. I like to install it into the new pipe as soon as I remove it from the old system. That way it is protected and less susceptible to damage. The film on the front edge of the sensor is very sensitive and you do not want any dirt, debris, or chemicals getting on it. The new intake system should consist of an intake pipe, red arrow, note the MkV sensor is installed, a mounting screw, blue arrow, an air filter and clamp, green arrow, and a pipe to the turbo hose with 2 clamps, yellow arrow. Begin by installing the hose, red arrow, from the turbo, yellow arrow, to the intake pipe. You will need to wiggle the hose down over the turbo intake, yellow arrow. Lay the intake pipe over the engine and install the pipe to the intake hose, yellow arrow. Tighten both clamps, red arrow. Install the single mounting screw to the pipe, red arrow. The screw in our kit was a T20 torque. Install the air filter to the intake end of the pipe, red arrow, and tighten down the clamp, yellow arrow. Plug the MkV sensor connector into the harness, red arrow. You now have a new intake pipe and filter. This allows easier access to components on the top of the engine as well as increasing performance. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.